Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo which will be at the page for active income, which is above here. You click on the words active income above this video. If you watch it, you'll see it, or you can click here to go to the active income page where I will be doing slogans and logos for the print-on-demand business, which I'm teaching you about, because the print-on-demand business is probably one of the easiest businesses online to do, and is also a way for you to change the way you earn your income. Okay, so which is important, right? So this is print-on-demand, which you do your slogans, logos, and put them on t-shirts and shirts, t-shirts, caps, mugs, hoodies, and jackets, and anything else you can think of, right? And this is a Printful, which I recommend, because they start you off for free, give you a free account, and they train you as well. So it's all very good. So with that, well, let's get on with it. So shall we? So let's create some another some more slogans, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. Oh. Right, here we go. Here we go. Now here's one that I just thought of this. I mean, it's this one is really a clincher. Really, it is. It is. It's a real clincher. This one. And we think we're rich. We really think we're rich, but the truth is we're ignorant, and we're in poverty. That's what the truth is. You see why? Because we're stuck on active income. That's why, and that's been slandered purposely. See, so that's how it is. See, so ignorance is poverty, and it is. It's the truth. Because what do we know about commercial anything? We don't. Do we know about anything about the commercial system? Do we know anything about commerce? No, we don't know anything about commerce. That's a fact. Have we been taught anything about commerce in school? No, no, no. And that's on purpose. I'm sorry to say it, but it's the truth. Ignorance is poverty. Absolutely, they want to keep you ignorant because so that they can advantage themselves. This is how it is, right? Right? See? And the reason is why this here. This is the reason, eh? Okay, this is another one. This is another one, people. I mean, you got to be. I'm teaching you stuff here, as well as showing you how simple it is to create logos, to create slogans. And this is another truth. People will probably disagree with this, but it's the truth nevertheless, right? They may not like it, but it is the truth. Active income, right, has serious limitations. Oh yes, it does. It does. But the people who slant it this way, right, and put us on this, right, it's not limiting for them. No, it's not. And so this is how it is. You think these people are going to help you? No, they're not. They're not there to do that. See, so you got ignorance as poverty. So the ignorance is ignorance of about other income sources. You see, that's the thing. You don't know anything about that. What do you know about commerce? Nothing. You see, because why? You went through an academic system. That's what you went through, right? In school, you never got taught anything about commerce. You know nothing about it. You're ignorant. See, and ignorance is poverty. And these people who put you through the academic system want to keep you poor and dependent on them. And who's that? You already know. You already know who that is. That's the fact. I'm just explaining this stuff to you, right? And then we're going to come up with another one. See, this is just how it is, right? See, now, See? Now there's another one. Yeah, right, yeah, because it just came to me, right? It's just come to me now, right? What is this? See? So I'm just going to lay it out on the line for you to show you what this is, okay? What poverty is. What does it represent? This is what it is. I'm going to show you that, and you're not going to like it. I'm not going to say you're going to like it. See, but this is this is what it is. Okay? Alley. Alley, oh, no, we'll put hay. See? Because this is poverty, okay? All right? An hourly rate is called, right? Now, I've just done this on the fly for you because I've got this knowledge in my head and I've taught myself. Now, I do a lot of self-education, so that's what I do. So, that's probably an advantage for me, but hey, I understand this stuff. I do. You see, ignorance is poverty. Oh yeah, you better. If you're this, then you're this, because you're under the influence of the corporation, the company that calls itself government. And what's the purpose of a company? To make a profit. And who they're going to make the profit off? You. So you got to get off your ass. You got to do something different. You got to. You just got to. You just can't. It's just, see, because active income has serious limitations. Oh yeah, does it what? You're limited to 24 hours, right? You got to be present. You got to be there. And if you're not there, you don't get paid. And an hourly rate is called active income. And active income is the worst kind of income. It has serious limitations, right? Serious limitations. It's not there forever. You can be sacked. Don't get sick and don't get injured because you lose. Why? Your income stops. That's the reason for that. That's because you're on active income, which means you've got to be there. See? This is serious stuff. This is serious stuff. And you're ignorant of commerce, and as a result, you're in poverty. As a result, it's poverty. So ignorance isn't bliss, like everybody says. It's not. You see, it's poverty, right? That's what it is. And most people are poor and don't even know it. We live in the Western world, right? And we're poor. It's a fact. Because we don't understand just exactly what's got control over us. See, we don't know we don't understand what the education system is or anything else. We don't understand commerce. Have never been taught anything about it. So these things here, slogans, are going to teach people. They're going to teach people and release them from their prison that they're in. So put them on your caps, put them on your hoodies, and put them on your mugs, and put them on your t-shirts, because this is incredibly important. This is teaching people. They'll read it and they'll go, oh, is that right? You see, and I mean, this is how it is. It really is like this. This is what I've just come up with, these three, and these three are together. I mean, they are together. It's really, really, really like that, eh? And I'll show you what I mean. This is what you do when you put these things here. This is where you put them. See this girl here, she's wearing a hoodie, she's saying your logo, your design here. That's where you put it, right there. See, because I recommend Printful. Why? Because they start you for free, and they want you to succeed. They train you as well. So I mean, you couldn't be better in a better position with, and you're getting off active income. That's the thing, which is what I want to see you to do, because man, I mean, it's the active income, as COVID-19 has shown, has got serious limitations. Like I said, you see, it really has. And here's my free account just to prove that it is free. And they show you which one. See, they show that the t-shirts, the hats, and the mugs, and a mat is a bestseller. See, so that's what you do. See, and you get some education here. See, your next step. Oh, you got your next step. See, I haven't done that because, see, I'm doing something different as well. See, I could do this as well, but I'll probably, I probably will later. But right now I'm doing something else. I'm teaching people. Because this needs to be done, and that's all there is to it. You get points. You learn how to do things. You got your what? You got your fashion guide, you got your Printful Academy, which is videos and product templates. Okay, so and here we are here. How to start a print on demand business for beginners. See, so they teach you everything here, right? And at Printful, and show you what to do, and then they all you've got to do is, I'm teaching you the logos and the slogans that you should put on your t-shirts, but to help people, just to get them to open their mind a bit and see that things are not what they seem. They're not. Oh boy, if they knew. uh, Things are not what they seem. Oh no, no, no. I'm sorry, but they're not, you see. So you got to do this. I mean, I'm doing it, well, maybe in another way, because I want to teach in a general sense, see. So ignorance is poverty. It definitely is. It is not bliss. Financially, it is poverty. That's what it is. If you don't know, you're going. The people are going to take from you. That's what they're going to do, and they're going to do it and make it seem as that they have the right when they don't. See, active income has serious limitations, which it does. You've got to be there. You only have 24 hours to make your money. That's it. An hourly rate is called active income, and that's poverty. It's poverty. There's no doubt about that, and it it uses up your life. You only get one life. That's it. So you need to do this business. Get involved with Printful because it's worth it, and you're going to teach people what they need to know, because people are seriously ignorant, man. They really are. They don't know that what they do is causing them to be poor. See? They don't understand that. They start doing this business here, right? They'll break away from that. Yeah, they won't be on active income, no. And then and with this, it's online, right? So it's there hasn't got serious limitations, and it's not on an hourly rate, so it's not active income. See, this is much better, right? So this is the simplest business that there is online, one of the simplest. You don't. There's not a lot to it. See, so but you need to do this. I mean, get involved. Please. And if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video, which I'll be making another video on this because this is a really serious subject that people need to know about. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.